Hi, I'm Brian from EZTRUNK. I'm here today to show you how to install the new sliding door lock, back door lock for the 4-door EZTRUNKs. It's actually simple. I'm going to try to do it without the instruction manuals. Well, the first thing you do is take the back panel off. I actually did that already. The screws are on the inside. To take those off. Then you just lift it up a little. There's these plastic caps. Tap them out. I'm doing it in the kitchen because it's dark outside and it's close to the refrigerator. This actually works pretty good because it makes it so you can get into the back of your Jeep without people seeing what you're putting in it. All you do is you put the driver's side back seat down and you can unlock the door and slide it over. And it like I said, it makes it so people don't see what you're putting in the EZTRUNK. And a lot of times you might be in places where you don't want people to know what's back there, and that's why it's so good. So the next thing we're going to do is take the rails and probably get a screwdriver. You put the screw on there. And you'll notice that this rail right here, okay, will be going right over the lift handle. And that's the only one that has a cutout. All the other 3 rails will be going here, here, and here. From the back, put the one on the other side. This way it goes a little easier. The other ones might go easier. There's 5 or 6 screws on each side, so it's going to take you a minute, but it goes relatively quick. What you need to do is save your screws from when you're taking off your back panel. You could reuse those to put this panel on. So I put all 3 in, okay, and the third one I save for last because I got to slide the EZTRUNK in. What you do is you grab it here and hold it up here so it doesn't scratch the trunk. Just pull it up a little and you can jiggle it in and then it'll slide down, okay? After you slide it down, you can take the last one and put it in. And I'll do that real quick. It's a relatively easy install as long. Now that I got the last screw in, we're going to flip it back down and just test it to make sure it works. And stick the key in, lift it up a little. It should be snug because if it's not, it's going to rattle. You install the new EZTRUNK sliding door.